Hello everybody, I'm Summonly Kevin Collects here, and today we are opening up another 4 packs of One Punch Man, and we're gonna be opening up a new booster box for this. So we're just gonna get 4 packs here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. From that new booster box of One Punch Man. So, let's get this open, and hopefully, I don't know, I don't really have faith for the anime anymore, but I'm still a fan of the series, so I'm still reading the manga and everything, but let's see what we get out of these 4 packs, and nothing out of the first one. Let's see what we get out of the second one. First there's something. Yep. Alright. Boom. And let's see what we get from the second pack. Yarrow and King. Hopefully these 4 packs aren't duds, but if they are, maybe the next 4 would be nothing but good hits. Huh? That would be pretty cool. Hailstorm, Zombie Man, Gorilla. Let's see here. But how many episodes do you guys think this season's gonna have? Ooh! Oh nice! A Geno SR. Nice. We got 1 hit. That's dope. Because if I'm right, I kind of want to plan out to maybe open up the last 2 booster boxes when the final episode actually, or right before the final episode of One Punch Man releases of the season. That's what I like to do, but that just depends if it's 12 episodes or not. Nice! Got 2 out of 4 hits. Not too bad, not too bad. 2 out of 4. Nice. And if you like content similar to this, leave a like and subscribe. Bye-bye!